Where are you, buddy?
Gracie, put Daddy, tell Gracie to put her hat on.
Put your hat on, sweetie.
Gracie.
Can I see yourself?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, my name's Joe.
Superman.
Superman? Well, Superman, you're at the Hoover Dam. Let's take a look around. We are on the lakeside, and that is really low water. Hold on. Mom's taking pictures, buddy. Taking pictures of us taking pictures. So that water line would indicate serious drought conditions.
Okay, let's keep moving.
What do you think, Mom? Pretty spectacular?
I think it's pretty spectacular. I think it's pretty cool. Let's get them inside. Come
Okay.
on, guys. Sit down, Gracie.
Gracie.
We're gonna go sit inside in the air conditioning. Come on. Go sit down, please.
What do you think, sweetie? Pretty cool? No? You guys just woke up from a nap.
Okay, sit down, Gracie. What, honey?
Okay, take your hat off.
Gracie.
Alright, get your Dramamine pills out. Somebody went tinkle. Now this up here represents, I guess Route 93 will soon be a bridge. I don't even know if this is Route 93. But we are constructing a giant bridge that is just going to, I guess, suspend over this massive canyon here. That should be pretty interesting. We understand they delayed construction.
Keep them walking, okay?
Okay. They delayed construction because a crane recently fell into the canyon. Okay, hello, this is the Foleys, and we are in the big green machine, and we are driving over
It's Rolling Thunder.
the Hoover Dam. It is rolling thunder, look at this. It's a heck of a police escort, I don't know.
What's that?
Oh, I see. They're leading this guy in the Jetta. He must be a VIP. How you doing, Mom? That was a heck of a stop.
That was fun. Motorcycles, that's right, Joe. That was a lot of fun, Daddy.
Where are we going now, kids? There's that bridge.
The Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon? What's the matter, Gracie? You're tired?
Then take a nap, honey. If you're tired, take a nap.
We definitely have a couple hours ahead of us, so go ahead and snooze. Alright, sweetheart, you don't need our permission. You got quite a luxurious car seat there. You go ahead and snooze. Alright, we'll check back in with you folks later. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Joe. I'll get Joe in the rearview mirror. Well, here we are in the Grand Canyon. We're 2 miles away. What do you think, Mom?
Wet.
We certainly didn't expect this.
Hi, Grace.
Alright, well hopefully it'll stop raining. She's looking at me. Oh, okay, it's rolling video. Are you looking at me with your binoculars? Okay. Are you looking at me with your binoculars? Can you see me? Am I close up or far away? Okay. Hi, Grace.
Hi.
Alright, we've driven about 3,000 miles total on this trip.
Okay.
Now, would you like to go back to the hotel and swim in the pool, or go see the Grand Canyon?
We like swim in the pool.
You want to swim in the pool?
Yes.
Because you know we have a pool at home, right?
Yeah.
And you still would rather swim in the pool and go see the Grand Canyon?
No, we don't want the Grand Canyon.
Okay, good. I love you.
Only the pool, Mama.
Okay. Well,
What about you, Joe? The pool or the Grand Canyon?
No, we like the Grand Canyon. We want to swim in the pool.
okay, thanks guys.
No.
It is windier than we thought it would be.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Don't let go, Bruce.
You guys can't let go. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing.
Hey, my mom, we like go there.
Joe, no, get down right now.
Dada, we go there.
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Let's walk over. What do you think, Gracie? Pretty big?
Yeah. Go.
Look at the camera. Say, I like it.
Yes. Go there.
Hold his hand.
Joe, hold on.
Go there. Come on,
Hold his
guys.
hand.
Follow.
Here, Joe.
Come here.
What do you think, Joe?
Good.
It's good.
All right. Where are you going?
Here's the overlook over here.
This is all the overlook.
They wanted to go down here.
What?
No, it's a different area.
This is where we came down first.
Hey, look, now there's more.
You okay? Okay, you're okay.
Yeah, turn around and I'll make a picture right there and then I'll get Cecil to make
Look, some money.